Yes, Warden. What is it? Yes, you should.
I trust Vala.
All be aware that the Grey Wardens have aligned with Lord Harrowmont. Be not afraid to fight.
I heard the news. Jarvia and Hekata are dead. I suppose it was unrealistic to expect them to surrender. Would that some of the noble caste had such loyalty. I have no desire to go back on my word. But when Balin heard the news about Jarvia, he raised the stakes. He is forcing a vote in the next 2 days. By law, that prevents the Assembly from hearing any other pleas. To help with your troops, I will require your assistance one last time. Do you know anything of the Paragon Branca? Yes, a smokeless fuel that made underground forges safer than they've ever been. 2 years ago, she took her entire house into the Deep Roads on a mad quest to uncover ancient secrets. No one's heard from her since. Were she to return and endorse someone for the throne, the Assembly would be honor-bound to accept her wishes. My men traced Branca's disappearance to an ancient crossroads known as Caridin's Cross. It is many miles below where we normally venture, but I can provide a map to lead you there. Just enter the Deep Roads through the mines. Thank you again, and may the ancestors guide your steps.
Stranger, have you seen a Grey Warden hereabouts? I've been privy to the rumor that he, or was that she? You understand this was many mugs ago. It was searching for Branca on Lord Harrowmont's own command. Well, if you're the best they got, then standards must have fallen way down. But I suppose that would account for an elf being down here. Say, could I ask you a favor? Name's Oghren. And if you've ever heard of me before, it's probably all been about how I piss ale and kill little boys who look at me wrong. And that's mostly true. But the part they never say is how I'm the only one still trying to save our only paragon. And if you're looking for Branca, I'm the only one who knows what she was looking for, which might be pretty sodding helpful in finding her. Aye, lots of folks know that. But you don't know what, right? I know what Branca wanted, and how she was looking. You, I assume, know whatever Harrowmont's men have dug up on where exactly she disappeared. If we pool our knowledge, we stand a chance of finding Branca. Otherwise, good sodding luck. You should know that Branca was looking for the Anvil of the Void, the secret of building golems, which was lost centuries ago. The smith Caridin built it, and with it, Orzammar had 100 years of peace, while it was protected by the golems forged on the anvil. As far as anyone knows, the anvil was built in the old Orton Tig. Branka planned to start looking there, if she could ever find it. All she knew was that it was past Caridon's Cross. No one's seen that Tig for 500 years. If we're going, let's get moving. Branka's not gonna sodding find herself.
Vashadan.
Blast and damnation!
What's this? An elf? I'm sorry, but I cannot allow you past the front lines without Adesha's permission.
Open your eyes, man! This Grey Warden is on a quest to find your paragon! Do I have to take your stinking head off?
Oghren could have been Adesha for House Branka. I suppose he's the next best thing in both skill and arrogance. You may pass. I'd offer more assistance, but my command post is here. All of Orzammar relies on us to hold this line. Best of luck with your quest, Warden. Orzammar needs a paragon now more than ever.
Time for more Darkspawn, I see.
Mind blow!
As you deserve. So I shall. It appears we will need to fight the Blight one at a time.
Now this should be amusing.
All right.
Such talent! A finer scene of carnage I've yet to see!
So I shall. As you deserve. complete. Of course. So I shall. Shame about the face! Here we go!
Another one. It's dust.
Another battle speeds our way.
You can smell the breath from here.
As you desire. All right. I have finished. All over now. Of course. Delighted. As you desire. What's this? All done. What shall we do? All right. What shall we do here? And so I shall.
stop wasting time, Warden. I'm not here to chat.
It appears we will need to fight the Blight one at a time.
Off we go to combat!
Could have just given up, you know. And so I shall. All right. Hey now!
Yeah?
I have done it. Another creature ahead. Shame about the face! Another creature ahead. All right. Done. All over. Now. Greetings to you. Sadly not. No. Now all we need are a few pretties and a bit of music. Yes. Are we in a hurry? Where are we now? Dare I even ask? I see we stopped to smell the flowers and adore the sunshine? Yes. Yes. Shall we go? Now all we need are a few pretties and a bit of music.
Carridan's Cross. I can't believe Harrowmont actually tracked this place down. This used to be one of the biggest crossroads in the old Empire. You could get anywhere from here, including Orton Tig. Not a one, but trust me, we will once we're on the path to the old Orton Tig. She was going to Carridan's home. I've been waiting for someone to say that for 2 sodding years.
Well, look what we have here. A couple of Harrowmont's little lackeys. Let's show them who's king.
We should do something.
All right.
Off we go to combat!
Alistair, what's this?
It's a sock?
It's a filthy sock. How did it find its way to my bedroll?
Maybe it likes you. Socks are sneaky like that. Anyway, it's not mine.
It has your name stitched on it.
Oh, part of Templar training back at the Chantry. The men were always getting their socks mixed up. Anyway, sorry about that. I'll take it from you right now. One of my socks is feeling a little damp anyway. A change would be nice.
You're going to put it on? It's filthy.
And dry. We're not exactly traveling in the lap of luxury here.
What hideous habits you've picked up.
Delighted. Of course.
Now this is more fun.
Complete. Of course.
I think it thinks we're supper.
All right.
Think.
Here we go!
As you desire. As you desire. Of course.
What a shame. Off we go to combat!
Delighted.
Blast it all anyhow.
Of course.
Off we go to combat!
Delighted. And so I shall. As you desire. And so I shall.
Now this is more like it!